Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn on Use Address Book Photos on Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to access your profile settings to make this adjustment. Now, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of your screen. This will take you directly into your account settings where you can customize various features and preferences for your Signal experience. From here, tap on Chats. This section contains all the settings related to how your conversations appear and function within the app, including display options and notification preferences. At the top of this menu, you'll see an option labeled Use Address Book Photos. This feature is particularly useful because it allows Signal to display contact photos from your phone's address book instead of the profile pictures users set on Signal itself. This can make it easier to recognize your contacts since you'll see the familiar photos you've already saved for them in your phone. To enable this feature, simply tap the toggle switch right beside Use Address Book Photos to turn it on. The switch will slide to the active position and change color, confirming that the feature is now enabled. With this setting activated, your chats will now display the contact photos stored in your device's address book, making your messaging experience more personalized and visually familiar. And that's it. You've now enabled Address Book Photos on Signal, which means your conversations will display the contact images you already have saved on your phone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.